Hey dudes, check this out, hobbywing 880 switch mod. Keep watching. Hey dudes, welcome back to RC Cars UK. Just a little look at a tiny little mod that I've done. Might help some of you out there. You'll notice in here we have a hobbywing 880. So basically, I got really annoyed with this 880 because two things. I couldn't get the silly little penny switches that they put on. I couldn't actually get them switched on with gloves on or anything like that. I found that when water got in them as well, they caused the ESC to intermittently cut the throttle out because I believe it was not liking the water in there. So I basically cut the switch off, the little penny slide switch that comes with a little garbage switch. Cut that off, and I've been running with just the wires hardwired onto pos and neg, which will turn it on as soon as you put the battery power to the battery from the battery to the ESC. It will come on if you just twin the pos and neg together. A lot of racers used to do that back in the day, and a bit of heat shrink over the top. But I thought, let's do it properly, seeing as this is now going to be sealed inside this tunnel here, this tunnel, yeah. So that will go back to leave space for a dashboard on the front. So as that is going back, you'll notice I've basically just heat shrunk and soldered onto a little pos and neg, just some very thin wire, thin gauge wire, and that goes to a little off and on switch here. So there you go, hobbywing switch mod right there. And that switch cost me about £1. I think that was about £1 from an AutoZone store. It's heavy duty, it's waterproof from the back because I've siliconed it all from the back. I've clamped it from the back as well, so the terminals are clamped. I made the clamps myself out of a bit of sheet alloy that was cut off this, actually out of the body spare. So yeah, basically you can turn it on with gloves on. It's easy to access. It's going to be a lot more reliable and durable than the original penny slide switch that was there. Yeah, so there you go, hobbywing 880, hobbywing ESC, little switch mod. Done. Thanks for watching, guys.